So we're going to begin our deep dive by starting with the file picker and creating new projects. So what we're going to talk about is importing documents, the formats that we support, drag and drop. We're going to talk about the file picker and different ways you can view your files, how you edit and reorganize your files, how you can sort them, and how you can search them. So this is the LiquidText file picker. You guys probably already pretty familiar with it, but nonetheless, the way LiquidText works it's a project-oriented way of organizing things. So each item here isn't simply a document, it's a project. And each project can contain many documents, many pages of notes, and so on. The way you create a new project is you start by importing a document that you'd like. You can import a document by, for example, clicking Open File. And over here, you see, for example, we could import several different documents, and each document we import will form a new project. Okay, we already have a few, so we don't have to do that again. The formats that LiquidText supports right now, natively we support PDF, but we have built-in converters for Word files, PowerPoint files, and even web pages if you're using a LiquidText on your iPad. Let me even show you how that works. For example, if we do Wikipedia, reading, and you say you want to start a new project to look over to dig deeper on reading, and you're going to start with a Wikipedia article on it, simply hit import. And here we are. We've imported the web page, and now we can start working on this project. LiquidText can also actually import pictures. So if you were to, let's say, have documents that you didn't even scan but just took photos of, you can click on Open Picture, and you can create a new project document based on pictures as well. Now, the other way of creating new projects in LiquidText is simply by drag and drop. Whether you're on the iPad or on Windows or even on a Mac, you can just drag PDFs, Word files, PowerPoint files, JPEGs right from your desktop directly into LiquidText, and it'll create a new project or ask you if you want to add the files to an existing project. Excellent. Okay, now let's talk a little bit more about how to work with the file picker. Now, as you guys probably know, you can switch between a list view and a tile view. You also can switch into edit mode. In edit mode, you can select one or more items. You can move them to a different folder, delete them, or send them as LiquidText projects, just like this. You can change how things are sorted in LiquidText, whether by name or by date. And of course, you have something called global search. So for example, if we wanted to find all projects with the word design, we just type it, and it shows us all the documents and all the projects that have the word design. Okay. So this is the in-depth discussion of creating new projects and the file picker. We talked about importing documents, one or several, the formats that we support, how you use drag and drop. For the file picker, we talked about different view modes, how to edit, sort, and global search.